If you've ever put on an outfit and thought, why does this still not look right? It's probably not because you need more clothes. Most women over 45 don't need a bigger wardrobe. What they need is a better visual strategy, because there are certain pieces, styling tricks, and outfit formulas that instantly make an outfit look more polished, more expensive, more modern, and more intentional. Here's the good news. None of them require designer labels. They can come from Walmart these days. In fact, some of the biggest things making outfits look cheap have nothing to do with price. If we haven't met before, my name is Valerie, and I'm a fashion creator with over 1 million followers across social media. I believe that wellness is the foundation and style is the expression. Fix the foundation of wellness and it will show in your style. And I have helped thousands of women with both their wellness and their style. So today I'm sharing 10 things that instantly make midlife outfits look expensive. And these are the exact tricks that stylish women over 45 use over and over. And trust me, once you see these, you can't unsee them. Before we get started, everything is linked in 3 places. First is right here on screen. Most times the outfits are going to pop up here on screen. Second is in the video description. Just tap on the video description and the outfits come up. Anything you don't see on screen in the video description will be at the top of the comments. So comment GLOW to let me know you're watching, and let's get started. The fastest way to make an outfit look elevated is a column of color. This is why monochrome outfits always look chic. When the eye sees one uninterrupted line of color, it creates length, elegance, polish, and visual calm. An expensive style almost always feels visually calm. This doesn't mean that everything has to perfectly match, just be color cohesive. Nothing elevates an outfit faster than fabric. Expensive-looking outfits usually have texture, movement, softness, and structure. So think linen blends, cotton poplin, drapey trousers, and soft knits. And honestly, this is why some inexpensive pieces, like the linen pants I'm wearing here, look expensive, while expensive synthetic fabrics can still look cheap. Fabric matters more than any label every single time. Nothing can cheapen an outfit faster than the wrong shoes. And the opposite is also true. The right shoes can instantly make simple outfits look elevated. Expensive-looking shoes are usually sleek, minimal, elongating, and visually clean. Think nude sandals, elegant slides, low kitten heels like I'm wearing here, or simple strappy heels. This is why stylish women over 45 rarely let their shoes fight the outfit. The shoes support the look. A polished shoe can make any outfit look rich. Every elevated outfit needs structure somewhere. Most importantly is at the waist, and you don't have to tuck your shirt. Not one single outfit I'm wearing today is a tuck shirt. Maybe it's a tailored blazer, maybe it's a crisp button-down or a sharp neckline. But without structure, outfits can start to feel sloppy instead of effortless. Especially in midlife, structure creates sophistication every single time. Okay, so here's the part most women completely miss. Expensive looking style is not about dressing fancy. In fact, some of the most expensive looking women actually wear simple outfits. The difference is in fit, proportion, restraint, and intentional buying. And the next few tips are the ones that will truly separate the nice outfit from, wow, she looks amazing. So let's get back into it. Cheap-looking outfits are often visually noisy. There's too many competing trends, accessories, colors, details, and things like that. But expensive style is usually edited. This is why women with incredible style often repeat the same handbag, the same jewelry, the same silhouettes. You're seeing the same jewelry throughout the entire video here. Because consistency looks luxurious. Nothing dates an outfit, and you personally, faster than outdated denim. And no, I'm not saying skinny jeans are illegal, but the cut does matter. Modern, expensive-looking denim usually skims the body, elongates the legs, and hits correctly at the shoes. For reference, I'm only 5 foot tall, but look how long these jeans make my legs look. The goal is relaxed polish, not painted on sausage denim from 2012. Modern, not matronly. You don't need expensive accessories. You just need intentional ones. A sleek sandal here, and the sparkle actually kind of counts as an accessory for this outfit. A structured tote, gold jewelry, modern sunglasses. Even one polished accessory can elevate a simple outfit instantly. This is why a peplum top and jeans can still look rich. Make sure you subscribe to my newsletter. Every Saturday I send out a fashion newsletter with the weekly sales, steals, and deals. I also send out a healthy recipe and weight loss tips because I've lost 30 pounds and kept it off for almost 6 years now. There's a sign-up link at the top of the comments or scan the QR code. When I say show a little skin, I mean show the right amount of skin. Expensive style usually balances coverage and the openness beautifully. Maybe a sleeveless top with full wide leg trousers like I'm wearing here, or a V neckline with relaxed denim, or maybe even a midi dress with elegant shoulders. Showing just a little bit of skin feels feminine without trying too hard. That balance is incredibly chic in midlife. Honestly, this might be the most important one here, because style always looks better when you feel better. Confidence changes posture, energy, expression, and presence. This is why I always say, wellness is the foundation, style is the expression. When women start feeling better physically, they show up differently in clothing, and everything changes. The women who always look expensive, they usually look comfortable in themselves. Not overly styled, not overdone, not chasing trends, just confident, relaxed, and intentional. And I am showing you that this bubble top here is a little bit short. I'm wearing regular, not petite. You will need high-waisted pants for this. That's the real secret, is confidence in your own skin. Because the most stylish women over the age of 45 understand this. Ease over effort equals confidence every single time. Okay, so now I want to know, which one of these tips instantly changes an outfit for you? Tell me in the comments, is it monochrome, better fabrics, updated denim, accessories, confidence, wellness? Which one of those do it for you? And if you love modern, elegant style for women over 45, make sure you subscribe, because that is exactly what we do here. And remember, you don't need a completely new wardrobe to look elevated. Sometimes you just need a better strategy. Until we meet again, my friends.